How's it everyone? So this is an LED. This is a light actually for a bedroom. It was in a bedroom actually, not mine, but customer's bedroom. Anyways, what's happening with this one? Okay, is that they tried to find a replacement like this. They couldn't find it anywhere, and their house has been designed in such a way that it can only fit this particular light. So opening it, I could clearly see the burn mark over there. You can see it's a bit discolored. So this plastic is actually supposed to be over this strip. So I vice first it. This one is actually supposed to be there. Anyways, let me just do that now. Let me correct that. So yeah, this one was pretty obvious which one is damaged. So there we go. Remember when I was posting about televisions, I said with these LEDs you just calculate 3.3 volts and then you multiply by the number of LEDs. Well, in this case it's not the case. In the situation it's not the case because you actually have to multiply by 4. No, it's 8 volts for 2, so it's 8, 16, 24, which is exactly what I said there, 24.3 volts. So what I did is at 24 volts, if we plug it in like that, I think I'll vice first the polarity. If we plug it in like this, it's on. If we plug it in like this strip is on. And if we plug it in like this strip is on. But if you plug it in like this strip is not on. So yeah, that is because these two, they are dead. So what I can do is I can drop it down to 8 volts, or rather 5. 5 is the one that I was working with for each individual LED. So actually individual LEDs, they don't power one because they're designed, the circuit has been designed in such a way that 2 LEDs are sharing one circuit at once. So I have to make it at 8 volts. So yeah, they're 8.4. And I can try it. So you can see they work. Come to the other two, they work. But these ones now, I can't tell. I can't tell. Reason being, the reason is that this one is clearly bent. So if we try to focus on it over there, that one over there, so you can see it's bent over there. I wouldn't know about the one next to it though, so I'm quite sure it's not gonna function without the other one. So at the moment, actually, I don't have electricity at the moment. It's load shedding, so I'm using my backup power. It's enough to power on everything, fridge and all that stuff, but the water station is a bit demanding, so I can still use it, but not for too long. I will have to be very quick at whatever it is that I want to do. So instead of the water station, I've managed to remove it without the need of a water station. Anyways, let's apply some soldering flux there. That way we can clear that area. Okay, yeah, I think that is separated nicely. Although I don't think I can still sit an LED over there. It's a tricky spot because it's been bent to a crisp. There's almost nothing left on that surface. So we don't have an option though. We have to fix this LED. This light, whatever it is, I don't know, is it a globe or what? Anyways, I have to fix it. Reason being, like I said, the customer does not have anywhere else that can buy this light. So let me just fit back these supposed to be by the corners there. So one is there, the other one is over here. The last one, which was over here, it's actually on my couch over there behind me. Anyways, let me find a replacement for this eye out there. I'm not looking for this strip. So this is a strip that I took an LED from in the afternoon. I wouldn't be sure about this LED being able to handle the amount of electricity that's gonna be sent, amount of current that's gonna be sent to it. Because this, in the afternoon, I was able to power it on using 3.3 volts. But however, this I have to power them on using 5 volts. So yeah, I'm a bit skeptical. But anyways, I've got nothing to this. So as long as my backup power is still at 6 bars on the battery, I can still use the water station. But once it drops to like 4, 5, I don't know. I've never really checked. But once it drops to like 4, it'll be working and cutting, works and cuts. So I have no idea about the polarity. I should have checked that before removing it. Okay, let me kind of make sure. So to power on these, you have to be like this. I need to have you over there. Stay around. I need to have you there and you there. So cool. Let's see. I have forgotten. Okay, so that means the big side has to be this side, because it's got 2 terminals at the bottom there. I have no idea if you can see. Now you definitely can see that. It's not gonna focus on that, it's too small. Anyways, it's got 2 terminals as well. So let's think that I'm just gonna use soldering iron. I don't wanna risk melting the plastic on the LED. One terminal is in place, but the other one now, this one we shall have issues because there's no way for it to sit there. Anyways, let me try this now. So let's see if the LEDs will work. Oh, actually one works, the other one doesn't, so I still have to replace the second LED as well. So let's see, at 24 volts, how many strips I can have on, how many LEDs I can have on this single strip. So I'll take it to there and you there. So yeah, all of them except for one, which is that guy over there. So I have to replace both LEDs actually. Second LED was dead as well. So yeah, working with the water station could be a much more neat approach to this. It's just that I'm working on a limited amount of electricity, and you know my desk has got a lot of equipment, so I do not want to risk dropping my battery too low. I've got other repairs to do. I still have got almost 2 hours without electricity. Yeah, almost 2 hours, 1 hour and some minutes. Means I can get another LED from here, pop the cap off. So like the last one. Oh yeah, in the afternoon I didn't actually show how I was removing these LEDs. At least in this video I can actually show. I'm just grabbing it by the tweezer when I hit on the bottom. It generally just comes off. There. It's off. Generally speaking. So now I can probably solder it in place now. Okay, one side is in place. The other side now, it's in as well. So now we test. It's funny, this light actually belongs to the same owner. Okay, there's some bending happening there. Like I'd say, these LEDs are too small. Yeah, they are small, these LEDs. They are. I mean, you can see there. The other one is dead already. Oh, this one is gone as well. This one. So these keep going. They keep burning. So now the main problem with this is that when one LED fails, the circuit doesn't completely go off because it's actually 2 LEDs per connection. So if one goes off, the other one maintains, and therefore that's the same thing that's happening here. This one is off, but this one is maintaining. At that point now, that means this one will not last long because now all the current is flowing through it. Let's just check and see if those two are still working. So you can see only one is working now. So here both are still working. Let's replace. I don't know why it's blinking like that. Is it too much current or what? Yeah, it has to be too much actually. Because if I drop it down to like 3 plus 3, which is 6 volts instead of 8, I'm still not getting a steady output. My eye is actually ahead now, or there. You can see I'm starting to get a steady output. So now I'm thinking there, it's a steady output now because I've lowered it to 4.9. Oh, my eyes hurt. I don't know lie. My eyes are killing me now because of the lights. They're too bright and they've got no protection over them. So I'm thinking of like replacing with another LED instead of just putting the dead one. I won't lie, I can't see at all. My eyes are failing to focus on that. They've just been bled. I honestly can't see. I can still see like distant things, but if I'm trying to focus, I can't. Okay, I'll replace you over there. So I think I'll need an extra LED just to increase the load. so at least they don't struggle that much. I don't think that LED is gonna work. I don't think this LED is going to work at all. Oh, it works actually. So back to 20. Okay. It's fine. Back to 22. Let's go to the maximum. Okay, this is gonna hold. So when I've plugged it in, actually it's supposed to work. Let me get an AC cable. Can I get a cable that I've already chopped? I just need to feed AC there. Then I'll know. Okay, I can use this one. So all I need is live and neutral. Oh, don't get me wrong, I'm definitely terrified of electricity. Definitely terrified of electricity, but I've learned to live with it. So what I'm gonna do, I wanna switch on the plug which is coming to this, and I see. And voila. So it's on now. They can definitely use it like this, but I still need to find a way to replace those LEDs. So I'm gonna see here the strip that I've got, if it's serving similar LEDs or not. Because these ones, I think they're too small in terms of current. I don't know about this one. This might work. There's another LED strip that I've got, so I can try these LEDs and replace them there and see where we go, because it will definitely be weird like this. It's gonna have a dark spot there of those three. So yeah, just give me a minute to check. So the plug which is coming in, it's actually powering the fridge. That's why I'm switching it off. Okay, I have no idea about direction, but anyways, sail through. We'll just try one. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then we have to bridge. So just have to heat it until it's hot enough for the LED to slide down. Don't even want to force it, because if I force it, it will kind of like explode. But I think I'll be forced to do that now. It's not doing anything, despite the sheer amount of heat that I've already applied to this. This is not normal. I mean, the entire metal is what? How is it not moving at all? I don't know how they made this particular strip. Seems a bit different. Yeah, let me try to take out this one then. Try to check out this LED. Okay, this strip is not meant to be replaced. Yeah, they definitely exploding. Whoa. Can't even hold the strip, so it's fine. We'll have to work with what we have at the moment, which is those. My god, it's been 21 minutes recording this video. Anyways, for now, I'm just gonna close it off like this. This is the best that I can do for now, because I don't have replacement LEDs for that. And this will definitely work without any issues at all. I probably shouldn't even have replaced those LEDs. Then at least one more LED would be on there. Or it was just about to fail anyways. Okay. There we go. So that's it. The rest it's there by the owner's house. There's cabling coming there. As for this, it's here. Do I even remember how this was sitting? Oh, yeah. I do. It was like this, and this was right there. Okay, and then screw. Bam. So all those screws are that side. Anyways, that's it. I'll go and fit this tomorrow, maybe in the morning or something like that. Anyways, cheers. Thanks for watching. Let me continue on this laptop. I've got other repairs to do.